What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the OnePlus 6. In this video, I'll be showing us how to insert and eject the SIM card. So if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for it, please share it with them. The first thing we're going to need is the SIM eject tool. If you have the original box, this should be in there. If you don't have it, anything like a paper clip, unwound paper clip, a needle, pin, anything with a thin, strong, sturdy tip should be able to work. So now we're going to go ahead and just locate the SIM tray, which is located right here, right next to our, on the left side, next to the volume up down buttons. So we're going to go ahead and there's a hole. We will be able to see there is a SIM tray, a cutout for a SIM tray right there. And there's also a hole. We're going to go ahead and stick that SIM eject tool inside that hole, press, and just like that, the tray does pop out a little bit. Go ahead and pull the tray out. If you take a closer look at that tray, there are there's some writing on it, and there are two labels on it. One is for a SIM 1, and one is for a SIM 2. So this one right here says SIM 1, and that one right there says SIM 2. Might be hard to read. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I like to install mine in the SIM 1 slot. There is a cutout for this one as well. You can see that angled portion right there. That is what we were going to be trying to, we're going to be using that. So I'm just going to go ahead and install the SIM card that I have in the SIM slot 1. So now that that is there, we're going to go ahead and replace it. So here's the thing with these SIM cards, they only go in one way. So if you're trying, let's say you're trying in the one way and it's not going in there, don't force it. Just take the SIM and flip it and get it in the proper way. Don't force it. So just like that, the SIM tray did go in. So now I have my SIM card installed. So that is how to install the SIM card on the OnePlus 6. And to remove it, same thing. If you're getting rid of your phone, you need to take it out. Locate your SIM tray. Take the SIM eject tool, press on it. Just like that, pull it out and replace the SIM tray. And just like that, you have installed and removed the SIM card on the OnePlus 6. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody needing this information, please do share it with them. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the OnePlus 6, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.